the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Peace and blessings be upon our Master, Muhammad, and his family and companions. Today, God willing, we will talk in the video about how the customer can perform regular maintenance on their machine. Alright, first, we will open the door. Okay, come here, engineer. The first thing is to lower this handle. Okay? There will be a screw here. We unscrew the screw. And we gently remove this cover. Okay, we come to the black unit. There's a screw on top. We unscrew it. Okay, then to take out the unit, there's a lock here. We press the lock like this and pull the unit together. The first thing we will take out, we lower this lock to remove the clear set. Okay, we will come. I will place the screw on the machine. And we come here to... And we come here to the blade. We unscrew this screw. And we come to unscrew the second screw. All right. And we set the blade aside. We come here, we unscrew this screw. And the second screw. You remove the cover, this plastic piece. Underneath, we'll find the cast-on or the candle. We gently remove it so they don't break. And after we remove it, we'll bring the vacuum and check if there's any ink here or here. And the ink on the brush, we rotate. If there's no vacuum, we'll get a paintbrush or any brush. We clean here and clean here and clean. Okay, if the cartridge is finished, this cartridge is finished, how do we change it? We will get the cartridge and place it like this and hold this spring. We lift the spring like this and we gently pull it like this. Now we've removed the spring and we take out these locks by pressing them onto the wick on the brush, and we'll get the new wick and place it the same way. We give it a lock like this. All right, and we get the zipper. Installed with this tension here like this, and we bring the other lock. What do we pull? The zipper. All right, but gently so the candle doesn't break and so these locks don't break. This pin broke. After that, we place the candle upright. The candle has an upright position. There is a pin here, and here is a pin right and left. This pin should be on top, not below. And we gently install the candle like this. Okay, then we press on the locks and lower them. So where is the pin? The pin is up. The pin is up. What is the benefit of this candle? This candle works as a softener to help the exhaust coming from the ink to go outside, and helps in cleaning the brush, the blade and the arm. Don't leave ink that fell here. If this candle is finished, you will find ink on the paper. You will find this whole unit covered in ink. It won't be clean. Okay, after we finish, we bring the plastic cover. The bulb is above the candle. What's here? This iron chassis has a groove. Here is this groove. This groove is where the metal face is first installed like this. All right. Won't we go down? But if this metal face is not fitted into the track, it will never fit. I mean, as long as it is outside its track, it will never fit. It must be fitted into the track first. And we go down with the metal face. All right, we'll get the screw. Of course, we have two types of screws. This screw head is a bit large, and this is considered for the blade, and this is for the cover that goes over the candle. We will install the screw after we have cleaned with the brush, the blower or the brush or the blower. We attach this screw this screw.
And we bring the Porsche.
Exactly the same thing. We install the screw.
The second screw.
And we set it aside. Now we come to remove the charger. There is a lock for the charger here. This is the engineering. We press the charger slightly, and where do we bring it? We bring it a bit towards the machine, and then we lift it.
Here is the lock. We go like this, press on it like this, and pull it a little like this.
This direction and the lift. If there is any ink or any dirt here, we clean it with the cloth.
A cotton cloth. What kind of cloth? Cotton. If you find ink or anything stuck hard, get a cotton cloth with it. I mean, dampen it slightly with a bit of water and gently wipe the roll. Then with a dry cotton cloth, wipe it. A soft cloth with water, wipe it. And the cotton cloth again, dry, wipe it.
After that, I put it here. I come here to set the drum.
What do I do? Here I have a handle and a handle. I lift like this. And I hold both like this. Here it is. And I lift upwards.
I take out the drum. I place the drum like this, okay? There is a base here, see? Here is the base. Place the drum like this. I don't place the drum like this or like that. So the two bases don't get damaged. Here, perfect. And I'll bring the vacuum and suction from here.
If there is ink or anything, I vacuum the ink here and vacuum the ink here. All right. Suction. I suction the ink here or the ink here with the vacuum or with a brush or a tissue or a cloth to clean. And the same here. And I go clean with the cloth underneath here like this. I will clean the LEDs underneath like this. All right. If there's any ink, do the same thing with the brush or this. Okay, I'm going to install the drum. How do I install the drum? This is holding it. I place the whole drum like this, the same way, and it goes down into its track. All right, and I lower the drum. Install the charge unit here. Look, 1, 2, and if there is a second opening, tilt like this. There, it's installed. Let go, done. The most important thing is this opening here, and there's a pin here. The opening fits into the pins, so the pins fit into the two openings like this. All right, then I ride the bike. It's all set. I lower the handle and make sure it is in place and has returned. There's a pin here. There's an opening here. The fuel opening goes down. Insert it into the opening. All right, done. And I'll return all of us in the fuel here. 1, 2, where does it fit? Here, here, and here. Here, like this. Install it like this and like that. Done. Make sure this unit is installed well, not like this. Like this, it's not fitting. It must fit well like this. You feel that there is no difference between it and the look of the bike. Then I lower and raise the handle again. And what do? I gently install the unit, and at the last moment a strong press. Listen to this click. All right, same thing. Go up. Of course, skip the screw and go up. And go up for maintenance. Do the same thing. I mean, we see here ink here with the vacuum gently. Suction after I go up. What? The drum, the roll, and the cleaner, and clean. And do the same thing. Place the same thing. The magnet. Okay. And at night, if I have the fifth color, I do the same thing. Okay. Now I finished the most important thing in assembling this, so it doesn't come to me on the mat. What does it mean? I will completely remove its color to tell you what the idea is. It will come here, the mat, I will shred this mat. Sometimes when you install it, you can install it like this, and when you install it like this, it will come to work and cut from the yield. Where? above the metal.
No, I have to turn on a flashlight and install it like this. So what's under the film? Under the iron chassis that is here. But if it is installed and comes up like this, the film will be cut immediately with the first use. No, I install it and see like this, okay?
Of course, it can't be installed. It can't be installed unless it's already in place. This unit must be installed.
Right, I'm installing from here like this, and then upright is to install it. Come on, engineer. And I look here to see if the mat is below or above, and I found it below the chassis. All right, I lift the lever and install my screw, and that's it. I've done the routine maintenance for the units. God willing, in the next video, we will take out the mat set and learn how to clean its parts and clean the mat. And please, if you don't mind, don't forget to subscribe, hit like and support us so we can provide more educational videos. I will leave the video links for you below the video. If you have any questions about anything in the machine, leave me a comment below the video and I will respond to you, God willing.